This is the Dwenwills company. This is a light socket and wall switch. This one is a remote control wall mountable switch, so it looks a little bit thicker than your average wall switch, right? Now it is going to come with screws and drywall anchors should you want to mount it drywall wise, but there's the instructions. I'll tell you, it's super easy to do. So let's say we want to make this old incandescent light smart. Okay, so we've got the light bulb here. I'm just going to screw this socket base in here. I'm going to screw my light bulb in. Now it's on. I go over here. The one thing you have to make sure is when you take the back off, there is this little pull tab to release. Do not forget to pull this, because I've seen people in the reviews are like, I hit the button, it didn't do anything. Pull this out, that activates it. There's a very small battery in here, and that's all it is. And now I have a on-off switch that I can literally mount anywhere. You could mount it wherever you want on any wall. We want to mount it on the outside of that little door. So we'll be able to mount it and we'll be able to turn that light on and off. So it's a low-tech smart light switch. So these things are paired together automatically. You don't have to do anything. They do sell multiple, like 3-way versions of this. This is the wall mount. So you can actually screw with those screws this against the wall, and you can put it in there and it mounts permanently. There is no app control on this, so you're not going to be able to download an app and use your Home Assistant or any other Echo type device on this. For this little room that we're making, the storage room, that's going to work out beautiful. So I'm very excited, again, for what this is going to do, because all I have to do is undo that bulb, screw this in. Now, this will work with smart bulbs. Again, you may or may not want to be turning your smart bulb on and off all the time. One thing to be careful of, though, is I had some old-fashioned Edison-style bulbs, like this one right here, that were on a dimmer. It did not work for that. So it's not going to work on any sort of dimmed outlet, but it will work on a standard on-off outlet.